To connect your data source from the Qlik Cloud Analytics Activity Center, go to the Create page and select Data Connection. Qlik allows you to connect your data wherever it is stored, with a wide range of Qlik connectors and other data connection types. Each type of data connection has specific settings that you need to configure. You can connect to an ODBC data source using pre-configured ODBC database connectors, such as Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3, Apache Drill, Apache Hive, and others. Alternatively, you can use the REST connector to connect to any data source exposed through a REST API. There are also Qlik web connectors that allow you to connect to social media or web-based data sources. For example, to connect to your Google Drive account, click the Authenticate button to open the Google Drive. Log into your account and allow the web connector access to your Google account. Copy the authentication code and paste it into Qlik Cloud. When done, click Verify and then click Create. This will establish a data connection in the selected space, making it available to all users within the space. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.